What's going on? Tony here with Advanced Street Technology, bringing you another video of the new Edge Mustang. We are getting ready to drop the K-frame or the K-member, and we just wanted to kind of show you guys the process. So let's check it out. Alright, we're gonna keep cranking away. Like and follow for more videos, then let's get to work. So, engine's already out. It's been out. We got the steering rack off. The power steering was still on here. And we got all of our suspension off. Control arms, strut, knuckle. So all of that was pretty straightforward. Just kind of unbolted everything, took it all down. And now we're gonna drop the K-frame and show you guys how we're doing it and start to bolt up the tubular one. So let's get to work. All right, so we're just gonna unbolt it. Got a bolt here, just this one, and then we got one in the back. There it is, we got it down. All right, let's get this thing in. We'll get it in. There we go. Real quick. So we got the QA1 K-frame up, it's bolted up. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the steering rack bolted up and just keep cranking away. What do you guys think? Makes a big difference. Opened up a lot of space. So we're gonna get the engine mount brackets and then the steering rack in there. Definitely a lot heavier than the other one.